From NBC News, this is Today with Matt Lauer and Meredith Vieira.
We're back with a lesson in good old-fashioned etiquette, because Hoda needs it. And today our instructor is Nancy Grzinski, director and founder of the Etiquette and Protocol School in New Jersey.
Hi,
Whoever
Nancy.
knew there was such a thing.
How are you?
Yes.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Oh, wait, look, let's see.
Welcome, Nancy.
Let me
Lovely
try.
to
Good
meet
morning,
you.
Ms. Gifford. Good morning, Ms. Conti. She called us Miss.
We should have said Ms. until she gives us permission.
So what are
we're wrong already.
What's the general rule right when you come up and meet someone?
The general rule is you don't want to be too informal. And when you're addressing someone of importance, and that could be an aunt or an uncle or in a business situation, you want to use an honorific, which is Ms., Mr., Doctor. And that way you're showing that person respect and you're not just going, hey, how you doing, you know.
Until they give you permission. But, I mean, like, did we do wrong just now by calling you Nancy? Was it a little too informal?
You just want to, if you see me as an importance, I was your guest.
Hoda told me we should, and I said, I don't think so,
So you
Hoda.
kind of get to set the tone for that. But honestly, it's really about knowing that reception.
The handshake, Nancy, is important.
She did not give you permission
Did you give me
Please
permission?
call me Nancy.
Thank
There
God.
you go.
Okay, the handshake's important.
Yes, it
'cause
is.
Some people are bone crushers, and some people are those limp,
Dead
sort
fish.
of yucky.
Right.
Yeah, I
And
hate
some
that.
people just don't let go.
And some people are clammy. I'm sorry, especially after that last segment. I don't want to shake hands with anybody in this room.
And then you start doing this action.
Yeah.
And you don't, because that just doesn't look good. I mean, we don't want to go, hello, it's so very nice. Oh, I'm sorry. It's very nice to meet you. You know?
That's why you should wear a dress like this that has a pocket. You could put it back in and just rub
Little
like that.
critters
What
Nobody
about
sees.
when you do the, because I've done
rings.
this with people who I really, that's no good.
This is a consoling handshake.
Oh,
and of
consoling.
course, in the year of politics, you also see it with that as well. You see
Which
a lot
means
of this
I want your
going on.
vote.
What-
Yes.
Yes, I want something.
Or at least, yes, you're making that contact and you're not just, it's not a business action for you.
What about if your hand isn't free and you...
Wait, here,
is
sit
it a-
around. There's someone whose hand isn't free.
Absolutely. This is a
These
perfect
are some of
example.
our, these are people from our audience who've come to help us with our etiquette segment.
You're not a manicurist, are you?
No, just, you know.
Okay, so what if
What do
it's
you do
the left
then?
hand is the only one that's free? What do you do?
You absolutely want to shake his left hand.
How do you do it? With your
I would throw.
Pardon me,
And would
so
you
it's
say-
behind you.
she's gonna
Yes.
left
If I
to
may?
left?
Yes, please.
Yeah, you want to start with your right because you'll kind of see,
Right.
and you'll because what you'll be doing is coming up here, and then you can certainly just either
reach
reach
for it with the right.
reach with the right, or you can absolutely go left to left. Either one is appropriate. The thing about the etiquette awareness is to see that this gentleman has a situation on this hand. So you want to make, you don't want to get him in a situation to say, oh, this happened, and talk about something that might be unpleasant. So
The
you
other
just
day, a
wanna
woman...
reach.
Excuse me, I'm just being...
That's quite all right.
Yeah.
A lot to talk about.
Careful.
I had no idea I did everything wrong. There was a woman who did not have much of a hand.
Yes.
But I went to shake it without realizing, and then she just gave it to me.
Absolutely.
And then you smile as if you're not aware that...
100%.
Let me ask you this. If I don't know somebody, I'll just sneak up this row. If I don't know somebody, do I walk up and say like this, hi, my name's Hoda. Okay, you got to help me out here. Okay. And
See,
then
that was rude. That was rude not to give your hand.
And you wait for his, is that how you do it?
You should always feel comfortable, Hoda.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me, to trip on TV. You should always
Cast them out.
feel comfortable. Now it's going to have one on his leg.
Okay.
You should always feel comfortable extending a handshake. And yes, a young
Do I
gentleman
say who-
like you,
yeah.
certainly always you feel comfortable introducing yourself. Hello, my name is Hoda.
What if you don't remember? You know you've met them, and you don't remember from where, and you're approaching, and you
Can
just,
you say,
what can you say?
please? I'm so sorry.
What should you do?
Yes, it's everyone.
sorry.
Yes, everyone forgets names, and if you do recognize that person, say that. I recognized you instantly. I apologize. My name is Hoda. Of course, I remember you.
Can you just fake it and go, how are you? I usually do it like that.
She does. Oh, she does that all day long.
She wings it.
Yeah,
It is,
sometimes you
but
gotta
then
wing
when
it.
you see that person again and you have someone important that, you know, your husband or John was from the date the other day. Okay. When you have someone like that, you want to be able to introduce them. So it's better to learn their name. Take time and listen to their name. Try to do a little bit of small talk to get it.
Okay.
And use their name as soon as you can, right?
And
Just to get it
repeat
in that
over and over
memory.
and
Stop telling yourself you're bad at names.
Right.
That's
What's
the
your name?
first thing.
Kelly. What's your
Kelly.
name?
Brady.
Brady. Okay. Kelly Brady. Okay, we'll keep
You
repeating
can remember
them.
that, right?
Yes.
Kelly Brady?
Yes.
Okay.
Kelly Brady. What's your name? I forgot
You
already.
heard it a minute ago. She told you.
What is it?
His name is Chuck.
Chuck.
I never heard that.
I never heard
I
it.
don't believe you
Here, I'm
introduced
going to get on
yourself.
this side.
No, I didn't, but you said it.
Yes,
It's nice
exactly.
to meet all of you that we didn't have an opportunity to shake hands with.
Thank you very
But we're
much.
moving on to
Barbecue.
barbecues, and we haven't washed our hands since we met them.
Okay.
Should we keep a little thing of Purell in us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay.
Because the big picture with handshaking, a lot of people have fears about germs.
Yes.
So do carry an antibacterial with you. Wash your hands because you're going to be touching doorknobs.
Yeah, we just have a few
glasses, and all of
seconds. So
those
how
kind
do
of
you, when you're
things.
eating finger food, how do you
Okay, well,
do it
I'm
properly?
from Texas, okay?
Yeah,
So
go.
Mac Daddy ribs are a part of my life.
Daddy ribs, go.
Absolutely. And I
Mac
also
Daddy
had a gentleman as well.
Uh-huh. Come on over. We just
Nice
have
to
a,
meet
we
you.
just
Good to
have
meet
about a
you.
minute.
I almost
so-
grabbed that.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you pick it up.
Yes,
Go.
you serve.
Now, see,
Okay.
at our house, we just
You
take it
serve.
by the fingers.
Have a seat, please.
Okay.
First of all, your napkin is put in your lap, placed in your lap. I know we have 1 minute.
We
I'm
have,
hurrying.
I think we have a
No, we
little
got
less. We have like
okay.
10 seconds, but okay. Quick. So you take a
pretend it's
bite.
Barbecue does not equal barbarian. Do not suck on the bones.
No bone sucking.
That's
no,
half the
no
fun.
suck teeth syndrome.
All right. Nancy,
Okay.
we want to just say thanks. I know there's a lot more to it, but we'll have some stuff on our website. Good ribs, by the way. Excellent. You guys, thank you. Thank
No
you so
finger
much.
licking.
Everybody.
Nancy, thank
You can
you.
suck on
Thank
ribs
you.
when you
Such-
come to my house,
Yes.
Hoda.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you very much.
And we'll be back, but first,
This is Today on NBC.